the bathroom is a task as many people don't like it. And some decoration even makes things harder to clean, which is again time consuming. In this video, I'm going to show you 11 things which will help you cleaning up things much easier and faster. So now let's get started. Vessel sinks might look stunning in a bathroom, but they are difficult to maintain. They sit on the counter, not under it. So, usually, water and dirt is collected all over the sink. To keep your bathroom easy to care, I would advise opting for a undermount sink as it is much more easier to clean or maintain. Opting for a vanity with a built-in wash basin is even a smarter choice, as it doesn't allow any water or dirt to stay on the counter. But there are very nice options available. However, you will still find a great selection with a beautifully designed cabinets. If your bathroom size is smaller and your standalone tub is tight against the wall, in this case, the dirt and the dust will gather between the wall and the tub, which is impossible to clean. But don't worry, if you like the standalone tub style and have limited room, you can choose a corner tub. The corner tub fits properly against one wall, looking like a standalone tub from other side. This is a great solution for standalone tub look without facing any difficulties in terms of cleaning and maintenance. So now, in case you have a bigger bathroom, move them a bit away from the wall, which is around 8 inches. That will help you clean easily. Flat bottom sink might look cool or stunning, but they often have issues in draining water quickly, as they are not slopey enough to help water go down the drain first, which can leave ugly dust and dirt. If you want to save time on cleaning, please check this out. The rectangular sink, which has sharp corner, may look good, but are harder to clean. At the same time, even some toilets are tough to clean. For example, two-piece toilets are very common, which look simple but difficult to clean. They have two parts, which leave a space between the bowl and the tank, where dirt and dust can easily gather at a place, which is impossible to clean. Whereas, you can try considering a closed couple toilet, which is easier to clean. In this style, the bowl and the tank are connected without any gap, making it easier to clean. One of the best options is to have a hidden tank toilet, which can be mounted on the floor or the wall. In the scenario, the tank is hidden in the wall, so it has very less parts to clean. However, these toilets cost more and are harder to repair if they break. One of the less expensive options is to consider wall-face toilet that have a clean design against the wall. In case if you're in a place where you find hard water, it's better to skip the dark fixture. Hard water has minerals like magnesium and calcium, and the dark finishes should be avoided with hard water as their minerals leave visible white spot over the time. It's always better to use light color taps and surfaces if your area has hard water. It's a wise choice to invest in a good exhaust fan. A bad fan can be loud or may not pull out enough air, which leads to bad smell. And one of the biggest mistakes we all do is picking a fan without checking its capacity, as using a small fan in a bigger bathroom won't work well. So, always make sure the fan power matches the size of your bathroom. Remember to use your windows or skylights for fresh air. Sometimes, you may also need more vents, like one over the shower, to keep the area dry. Try switching on your exhaust fan before your shower to prevent steam buildup. Grout is tough to clean, and sometimes tough stain won't go away even with the strong cleaner. If you have a smaller tiles, you will have more grout lines, which means cleaning would be difficult. So, if you want an easy care bathroom, go ahead with the larger tiles rather than opting a smaller ones. Before going forward, let me tell you about us. We are Happy. We build home in 180 days. Happy is a Bangalore-based construction company that prioritizes design and specializes in building homes. We have in-house team of architects, engineers, and site supervisors. Happy ensures smooth project execution, uses quality materials, and maintain transparent communication throughout the process. You can engage with Happy by either visiting our office or requesting a visit to your home. During this interaction, you can express your needs and ideas, which our architects then translate into actionable plans and estimates. The initial layout and quotation are provided complimentary, and Happy offers stage-wise payment for convenience. Once the agreement is signed, you become the official partner of Happy. Happy dedicates 1 month to the design process, which include planning, working drawings, structural drawing, 3D modeling, and obtaining necessary government approvals. We believe design is not only for privilege. It should be accessible to all. We are on the mission on making design democratic. Happy understand that home is more than just four walls. It's a place where memories are created and life is experienced. We invite you to join us to turn your dream home into reality. If you are particular about using a small tiles, then think about using epoxy grout, as it waterproof and stain resistant. Some of the drawbacks are this tile comes into premium segment and are harder to apply, so you might need an expert. Bathroom can be slippery, so it's important to check how slippery your tiles are, especially if they are shiny and big. It's recommended to stay away from natural materials and wet areas in a bathroom because they soak up water and need lot of care. This is true marble, which needs to be sealed and cleaned often, or else it will soak up water and dirt and start looking yellowish. Marble needs a lot of work and efforts to maintain, such as sealing it regularly, cleaning with a gentle cleaners, and not using rough tools while cleaning that could scratch it. In case you have a rain shower, then you might end up carrying heavy buckets to wash your shower. To prevent this issue, I recommend adding a hand shower, which allows you to easily clean your shower area. This makes the cleaning process easier. And if you like the gentle appearance of matte paints, try using satin or semi-gloss options, as both are designed for areas with a lot of moisture. Though they cost more than standard paints, but these paints are one of the best options to use. To avoid the hustle of shifting items for cleaning, consider initial plans for ample storage and use organizer boxes on the counter for tidy management. Ultimately, simplicity defines supreme. Choose the products with a lesser corners, seams, ridges, and contact areas, as they are easy to clean. If this video was helpful, don't forget to explore our additional home construction video. I appreciate your viewership and I look forward to meet you in the next upcoming video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more updates.